You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the software or open source Linux distribution. If you want to learn more tech-related vocabulary that is sometimes often mispronounced and confusing, stay tuned. Pronounced as OpenSUSE. Yes, I believe some people have said it as SUSE, but I think more people say it as OpenSUSE. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know and upvote the different pronunciations perhaps, so we have a better feel for it. But generally, it's pronounced as OpenSUSE. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.